Okay, so the Reserve Bank just did something really interesting, and honestly, it tells you everything about where Australia's economy is right now. So here's what happened. They keep the cash rate at 3.6% today. No surprise there. But the reason they did it, that's the story everyone missing. Inflation just jumped like actually went up instead of down. According to the RBA statement this morning, underlying inflation hit 3% over the 3 years in September, up from 2.7% in June, and that was higher than they expected. Now, to be fair, some of that was temporary stuff. Electricity rebates ended in a bunch of states, so headline inflation spiked to 3.2%, but the RBA saying not all of it was temporary. Some of that inflationary pressure is still baked into the economy. And here's where it gets messy. The housing market's heating up again, home prices are rising, people are spending more, businesses say they can't find workers. The employment rate did tick up for 4.5% in September, but job vacancy is still super high. So basically, the economy is in this weird spot where it's recovering, which is good, but that recovery might be too strong and push inflation even higher, which is not good. RBA central forecast now say inflation will stay above 3% for the next few quarters. They're not panicking, but they're definitely not cutting rates anytime soon. And honestly, I think the key line from today's statement was this. They're saying cautious and paying close attention as the data evolves. Translation, they're not sure what's coming next. Could go either way. So yeah, no rate relief for borrowers, higher rates for longer. But seriously, are we even talking about the real issue here? Because if inflations stay stubborn and they have to raise rates again, okay. So the Reserve Bank just did something really interesting.